Hello everyone and welcome to another math lesson from me, Mrs. Helow. Today is a little different because we're not going to go into our math journal, but instead we are going directly into our math book. So this is lesson 12.10 and this is page 697. Okay. So this whole unit this whole section of this unit is about mixed measures, and we've talked about it a little bit, but it's trying to figure out how to add up or subtract units of measurement that aren't the same. For example, the unlock the problem, it says Herman is building a picnic table for a new campground. The picnic table is 5 feet 10 inches long. How long is the picnic table in inches? Okay, so I have 5 feet plus 10 inches. So the first thing we have to think of is, well, 5 feet is going to be times 12 inches because we know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So if I do 5 times 12, I have 60 inches. So that's what 5 feet is. And then the 10 inches we don't have to change. So we have 60 inches plus 10 inches. So that picnic table is going to be 70 inches long. Now, this one is going to be adding mixed measures. Herman built the picnic table in 2 days. The first day he worked for 3 hours and 45 minutes. The second day he worked for 2 hours and 10 minutes. How long did it take him to build the table? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're not going to do the hours first, we're going to do the minutes first. 45 minutes plus 10 minutes is going to give me 55 minutes. So step 2 is we're going to add the hours. 3 hours plus 2 hours. 5 hours. So it took Herman 5 hours and 55 minutes to build the whole table. Okay, turn the page and we're now on page 699. I'm going to do these first 6 problems with you guys on this page, just so we can know exactly how to do it. All right, it says rewrite each measure in the given unit. So 1 yard, 2 feet, and then it says blank feet. So I need to change the yard to feet. So 1 yard equals blank feet. Remember that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So I'm going to say times 3. So 1 yard equals 3 feet. So now I have 3 feet and 2 feet, which gives me a total of 5 feet. Okay, number 3. And if you need to use your math journal for this, please do that because this is going to be something where you do have to get all these measurements correct. We have 3 pints and 1 cup, and I'm trying to find it in cups. So let's go to the page talking about pints and cups. Pints to cups, you have to do times 2. So with 3 pints, I know it equals blank cups. If I do times 2, I get 6 cups. So I have 6 cups and 1 cup. That's a total of 7 cups. Okay. Now we have 3 weeks in 1 day, and then I'm trying to find that in days. So let's do the 3 weeks. Let's make 3 weeks into days. We know that there are 7 days in 1 week, so I'm going to do times 7, and I get 21 days. Then I can just add up 21 plus 1 day equals 22 days. Make sure that you're also writing down the work of these problems, and it might look a little different than mine. Mine kind of looks messy, but do make sure that you are writing something where you know how you got the answer. Don't just write the answer. Okay, number 5, just like the adding and subtracting before, I'm going to do one part at a time. We are adding here, and I'm going to do the ounces first. So I have 4 ounces and 6 ounces. That gives me 10 ounces. Then I have 2 pounds and 1 pound, 3 pounds. So 3 pounds and 10 ounces. Okay, number 6, there's a little check mark here because it is a little bit more complicated. I have 3 gallons and 2 quarts minus 1 gallon and 3 quarts. I can't do 2 minus 3. That doesn't make any sense. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change all of this to quarts. So if I have 3 gallons, the quarts, I know I'm going to do times 2 then times 2, which is really just times 4. So if I do times 4, I get 12 quarts plus 2 quarts. That's 14 quarts. And then that's going to be subtracting minus 1 gallon, which is 4 quarts, 3 quarts, which is 7 quarts. So now I have 14 minus 7. My answer is 7 quarts. Okay. Again, what I just did is I made all of them into quarts. No more gallons and quarts, just quarts. And number 7, I have 5 hours and 20 minutes minus 3 hours and 15 minutes. Again, I'm going to do the minutes first. 20 minutes minus 15 minutes is 5 minutes. And then 5 hours minus 3 hours is 2 hours. Okay, so what you're going to do for your assignment on Schoology today, go to page 701, and you're going to do numbers 2 through 10. You may rewatch this video, or you can go back and do any, use any notes in your journal as well to help you with this, or in your book. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out, and good luck on the assignment, and I miss you all.